Ever seen a question like this? We're going to teach you how to solve it easily using simultaneous equations. This will be the third problem we solve in this video. We will solve two other types first, so make sure you stick around so you can see all the strategies. All of the techniques we'll be using are covered in this video, so make sure you check that out first if you haven't learned how to solve simultaneous equations yet. There are many types of problems that we can turn into simultaneous equations. Usually whenever we have two missing pieces of information, we can try to create two different equations and solve them simultaneously. Here's the process that is generally used. Step 1, define variables. Step 2, create equations. And step 3, solve the equations and check your answers. In short, you want to be able to turn words into maths. Let's get into the first type of problem. The first type of problem is a purely numerical situation. The sum of two numbers is 40 and the difference is 70. Find the two numbers. Let's define our variables. Let the two numbers be x and y. Let's create equations. Sum means add, so x plus y equals 40, and difference means take away, so x minus y equals 70. Let's solve this one by elimination by adding the two equations. We get x equals 55, therefore y equals negative 15. For good communication, answer the question with a little statement. So our two numbers are 55 and negative 15. Get in the habit of checking answers. We'll leave that to you. Let's look at the next type of problem. This next type involves money. This is very common as money is a big part of our lives. Here it is. Let's define our variables. Let's create equations. Let's solve this one by rearranging equation 2 and substituting this into equation 1. We get d equals 4.25. Substituting this into either equation to find s, we get s equals 7.70. So a drink costs $4.25 and a sandwich costs $7.70. You can check that these are correct. Let's look at the next type of problem. The last type of problem we will look at in this video involves the ages of people. We're going to show you how to get these right every time. So let's define our variables. Let W be the woman's age and S be her son's age. Let's create our equations. The first one is just W equals S plus 16. Now, you must be careful when going forwards or backwards in time. The second equation here is W plus 4 equals 2 times S plus 4. So both the woman and her son are 4 years older. If you get this right, then you're good to go for these types of questions. So let's solve this now. We get S equals 12, so W equals 28. The woman is 28 and her son is 12. Let's check. Yep, she's 16 years older right now, and in 4 years, her son will be 16 and she will be 32, so she will be double her son's age. Awesome. Alright, now it's your turn. Remember, the only way to learn maths is to do maths. We've put answers in the description, but you can always check your answers using the information in the problem. Thanks so much for watching. If you have a request, let us know in the comments. See you in the next one.